Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to make a 3-point turn. Normally in the test the examiner will tell you to make a 3-point turn, whether it's G or G2. So as soon as it tells you, you quickly signal to the right, go close to the curb and make a complete stop. Don't put the gear into parking, change signal to the left, turn the wheel all the way to the left, quick check your blind spot and cross the road. Change signal to the right, turn the wheel all the way to the right and back up slowly, 360 degrees, check your blind spot. Change signal back again to the left, turn all the way to the left, quick check your blind spot and slowly move to the opposite direction of the road. This is how to make a quick 3-point turn. After you finish, the examiner is going to tell you what to do. So follow his instruction. Thank you for watching my video.